Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, the one, the only, the official, the authentic, the real, the original, the guy from Pittsburgh. Fuzzy and little girl love the kitty beds. Fuzzy is sleeping in it right now. Little girl is outside, and little girl got frightened of the bed at first. And I sat her in there 3 times. So I guess that's the cat to let it know. Not coming out right. The cat has to know on its own that it can go in the kitty bed. But she finally slept in it when I woke up this morning. Both she and Fuzzy were sound asleep, and then Fuzzy gets up and went back at me for attention. So made my coffee, threw out the recyclables. Mama cat is getting wrapped their eating. Every time I go out, throw out the recyclables. They run down the balcony. They get frightened. I don't know why. Silly cats. You think they know me and trust me after all these years. But maybe it's all the people. I think they do that with everybody. They're just scared. Poor things. And I wish one day I could find them home. Anyway, today I'll be cleaning the kitchen, doing laundry, cat feeding, and going down to Amtrak and feeding some food to the poor kitty I saw. Hopefully I see it again. Beautiful multicolored kitty was looking for food, but I didn't have it. Okay, I was going to show you one page, but I'm going to show you the whole year. This is the calendar that Open Lines Jerry sent me for 2020. Thank you, Open Lines Jerry. And this is the front, and this is the back. And I have not looked in this because my mother always says it's unlucky to open up the calendar before the new year. So here's January with Chinese New Year, Martin Luther King. That's the only and New Year's Day, of course, the only holidays. So there's January, and let's go to February. There's Luxor Hotel. This is the MGM Grand. And we have a leap year this year. We have the 29th of February is a leap year. President's Day, Mardi Gras Day, Ash Wednesday, Valentine's Day, and Groundhog Day. Will the groundhog see its shadow? In Puxatawny, Pennsylvania, a true Pennsylvania is that groundhog. All right, here is the Paris. I always thought that was called New York, New York, but I could be wrong. There's March. What's going on in March? St. Patrick's Day, daylight savings time on the 8th. Spring begins. All right, we'll go to April, my birth month. Here's the strip, which is unrecognizable. When I lived in Las Vegas in 1968, when you see these lights off in the distance, it was all dirt. There was nothing there. So this is incredible to me. Okay, April Fool's Day, Palm Sunday, first day of Passover, Good Friday, Easter, Tax Day, last day of Passover, Earth Day, Ramadan begins, and my birthday is the 28th. Here is May. We have Caesar's Palace. I watched them build part of that. Cinco de Mayo, National Day of Prayer, Mother's Day, Armed Forces Day, Ramadan ends. Well, that's a long holiday. And Memorial Day. Okay, there's May. Here is June. It is, I think it's the Bellagio. I can't read that. Or maybe it's Caesars. It says Caesars, I think. Yeah, it's Caesars, the fountain. They just had one fountain when I lived there as a kid. Okay, D-Day, Flag Day, summer begins on the 20th of June and Father's Day. And Kathy's birthday is the 26th of June. Here is a montage for July. And we have Independence Day and Parents' Day on the 26th. I didn't know there was Parents' Day, so that's interesting. All right, we go into August, and we have another montage. Getting a little crowded in that picture. And we have Muharram, another Muslim holiday. All right. And nothing goes on in August. Here we have September with, I think, Excalibur. I'm not sure what the other two hotels are. I've been in Vegas since 1974. And hope in the next year or so. Patriot Day, Labor Day, Grandparents' Day, U.S. Constitution Day, Rosh Hashanah. Fall begins on the 22nd, and Yom Kippur, the Day of Atonement. And we have October with the Mandalay Bay. And no, that's November. I'm sorry, I skipped October. Well, I'll show you November anyway. Daylight savings 10 minutes the 1st November, All Saints Day, Veterans Day, Thanksgiving Day, Black Friday, and Cyber Monday. Now, let me go back. I didn't realize this thing didn't move. I missed October, and I apologize for that. Ooh, that's different. It's almost ominous, though. I don't know what this is. I have no idea what hotel that is. This is October, Breast Cancer Awareness Month, Columbus Day, Boston's Day, and Halloween on Saturday, the 31st. And hopefully, we will probably have a car next year. So you'll be seeing us, or this year, not next year. You'll be seeing us running around in the Prius. And I will get the dongle to make it Wi-Fi in the Prius. Once I get another iPad or get the iPad working. And the guy with the iPad can still wait to pay him. So we will see what's happening. And here we go, December. You have the Wynn Hotel, where Gerry hangs out in the lobby looking for change in the fountain. Okay, Pearl Harbor Day. First day of Hanukkah is the 10th. Last day of Hanukkah is the 18th. Winter begins on the 21st. Christmas Eve on a Thursday. Christmas Day the 25th. Kwanzaa, the fake holiday, on the 26th. And there is no such thing as Kwanzaa. It was invented by a criminal burglar. And New Year's Eve on the 31st. And let's see what. And then we have, look at this, it'll jinx it. So that's January 2021. Let's hope we all make it to that time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. I'm going to go put this on the wall in a minute after I finish eating. Have a great day. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool. Lovely day in Martinez. It's 11:05 a.m. It is a comfortable 70 degrees in here. And pleasant sound asleep is the key. Into the bed. All right. That's it. Bye-bye for now.